Structured Query Language (SQL) or SQL for short.
It is gold standard language for communicating. We organize this data into tables like an Excel spreadsheet where columns contain attributes or types of data, while each row represents an individual record or data point with its own unique ID known as primary key. We can establish relationships between data points by taking the unique ID from one row and storing it in a different row, in a different table in a special column known as a foreign key, in the team's table, and team ID is a primary key. But in the player's table, it's a foreign key, and what that data structure tells us is that the player belongs to one team, while a team can have many players. That if we've done here is structured our data. Now the role of SQL is not only to read, create, update and delete data, but also to join data together based on the relationships. We have a statement or a piece of code that does something like read or write to the database. Select can be used to make a query for the columns that you want from a table. The column and table names are known as identifier. We filter the results with the where keyword to only include records that meet a certain condition. It's like looping over every row in the table and only returning rows in a query where the predicate evaluated true. Then we might use the join keyword to connect data from an entirely different table by matching the primary key on this table to the foreign key on another table. What we've created is a collection of clauses.